I'm looking forward to the holidays. I'm gonna take like I think I'll probably take like 2 weeks off in December just to focus on the new warehouse and getting new stuff set up and get ready for the new year. How much did you make today? Well, right now we're up $1,700. The day is not even begun yet. Patrick, since you bought the Lambo, do you still get hyped to drive it? Every fucking time. The biggest smile on my face. It puts a smile on your face, you know? I don't care what anyone says. It'll fucking turn your frown upside down. Also, on Sunday, we're going, there's a car show in Wellington, South Florida, up near West Palm. They're doing a big toy drive. I'm gonna go to Walmart. I'm gonna load up the truck. I'm gonna load up the monster truck with toys and then take it to the car show to give out a bunch of toys. God damn it, I knew this would happen. This is why I hate leaving on runners. Because it's just guaranteed to pull back, stop me out here.
All right. Good morning, Legacy League.
No, like people always say, Patrick, why don't you leave runners? I'm like, well,
everybody getting these turkeys ordered.
For that exact reason.
These briskets and mac and cheese and getting everything before the big day Thursday.
Because of that
gonna be
fucking
nice.
reason.
Hope everybody has a great holiday.
Will you
we're
ever
gonna
do
go ahead
a
and start off with the
full
news
in-person
this
or
morning
in
before the
live,
markets kind of
online
open up.
in-depth course?
So we have some news today at 9 a.m. Looks like it just hit. It didn't really do too much to shock the market up a little bit.
I think
we
it
have
gives
some
us an opportunity
FOMC
to do some
meeting
new
minutes.
cool stuff. So
that's usually a big
we'll have to
thing.
see how she goes. If you're just now tuning in, check out the channel here right now.
So
we got that 1 hour channel. The market just respecting that channel.
But
we pushed up here above this kind of 950 area. The market had to pull back just to stop me out. You know that. Watch. Watch this be the bottom of this movement, and then it's gonna rip up 100 points. Just watch.
Looks like the market's kind of at cranberry salad. Oh,
classic
green.
Bullshit.
So we're looking at going up. Everybody's kind of buying today. Let's see here. Earnings calendar. We got analog
devices. That channel
devices,
is one massive bear flag. I mean, you're not wrong.
$2.44 billion.
We have just been kind of stuck in this channel now.
It'll do something, and it's during the daytime too.
We'll see how she
we have
goes.
to keep an eye on that one. Let's see what else I got. Best Buy, Burlington, Dick's. That's in the green. So
AJ,
nothing
so fast.
too crazy.
I know, man.
Nothing the hundreds, billions.
My 12-year-old, he's like a little person.
I mean,
He's pretty
like
fucking. It's impressive what he things that come out of his mouth these days.
So you might have some.
We were talking about Black Friday deals.
That, you can maybe make some.
And he was like, man. Problem with Black Friday deals.
These are the pre-markets, so we got NASDAQ, got our Russell.
I'm like,
looks like we're
well, that is
Asian market
a very valid fact, my friend.
European market kind of was down some points.
Any updates on Rip's
most
case?
Most of the time, it likes to retrace.
Waiting. I told his lawyers they could go suck my dick.
Up. You know, we're gonna look for
and
those
I guess I'll have to wait to see if they file a lawsuit or not.
I'm sorry, calls. I'm going across. We're looking to buy,
the
baby.
emails
looking
and
to buy.
the cease and desist have run their course.
Ride that momentum all the way.
Now it's to see if they're gonna actually file a lawsuit.
To the top. Let's see what we got. Dow futures. See if we got big news. Abercrombie expects a strong holiday
again, just kind of proves that Rips is a big ass bitch.
Some gifts. That's good. Trump vows additional 10% tariff. Oh God.
I mean, anybody that
tariffs, everything
sends a cease and desist is a bitch.
25% tariffs on Canada and Mexico.
So
that's crazy, man. They're just going to put it on us. We're going to have to pay for everything.
I told Rips he could buy the domain that I own if he wants. You know, I'd sell it to him, but.
Walmart.
I guess he'd rather just spend a bunch of money on lawyers and look like a bitch.
Okay, so Bitcoin went back down.
Hey. Bitches be bitching.
Let's see, 10-year notes. NASDAQ. Okay, it went down 5. Nvidia went down 5%. 10-year note to stay kind of there.
Amanda. Black Friday, get free stuff. Yeah, I've never knew about that.
See Trump's tariffs. Yeah, tariffs.
Just pulling on back here after breaking out there, pulling back 950s again.
Foiled Musk and Trump. Okay.
But you don't sell anything on that website. I don't sell anything on the website. I'm actually going to launch
Okay,
a
so we got
apparel
tariffs,
website.
home price growth.
I do apparel. I'm going to launch an apparel company
Nothing
on
too
marketclubhouse.com. I think it's a very you know, good business to launch right now. Are you a surfer or a day trader? I try to do both.
Got a handle on Trump.
I try to do both, man. Surfing the waves, baby. Surfing the waves.
Latest Trump return lead new wave. Best-selling book. Mexican president will worsen inflation, kill jobs. S&P futures up. I do like this
apparel. No, nothing to do with trading. It'll just be apparel in general. Not
yesterday. I know the Dow
nothing to do with
shoot
trading.
up
Something
and then
different.
It just crashed back down.
You should surf while
S&P
trading.
500 went up.
Okay, yeah,
Nasdaq went up as well.
Let's just focus on
S&P
trading
and
first,
Nasdaq
and then
always
we'll
follow
worry about
each
the
other.
surfing. How about that?
They follow very close to one another. They pretty much mimic each other. Yeah, man, we're good to go. Okay, so let's hop on the charts here. Let's see what plays. See what some plays we got today. Let's see. Go to my account 395. I'm gonna do a little copy trading today.
Nasdaq dipping.
A little copy trading today. We are going to try to make us some money. Oh, look at it.
Apparel with men with big balls. That's gonna be my new store.
That's
my new apparel idea.
Dipping down.
I'm gonna make shorts for men that have very large balls like myself. You know, it's uncomfortable to wear normal size shorts because my balls are so big.
Nasdaq's dipping down. See what the
I think there's a market for it, you know.
Sale 275. One contract 275. Okay. Might need
I don't think Rips will be buying any underwear from me because he buys whitey tighties, I'm sure, for his little tiny balls. Personally, I don't wear underwear personally, but you know, hey, whatever you're into.
Let's see what those buys. 125.
Are you trading micros or regular? I'm trading
one contract.
Regular.
125.
Do I look like a bitch? Trading micros.
To start it off, I already plotted out my 1 hour time zones. So these are some of the most accurate zones.
Would ICT buy my underwear? No, he buys women underwear.
4 hour and a 1 hour
for his vagina
supply zone. So what we're going to do is wait for it, the market to open up. It should go up.
Will you have pants for men with normal balls?
Ideally, it'll bounce
only
off
big balls,
this and then go down. And we can put some sales in to where we can catch some profits going down. I do like the EMAs
Bro, last year you were trading micros.
As far as like riding that momentum. But this is on the hour time chart.
Yeah, I don't know what to tell you. Last year.
It's on the hour time chart.
Last year I traded micros.
So,
wow.
This is good.
Good story.
This is 2 minutes. This is more.
Welcome to 2024 now.
Right now, it looks like it's kind of about.
You know, last year Kamala Harris was gonna be the vice president. People loved her, and
in the 1 hour.
Now in 2024, she's literally just
goes
nothing.
down. Let's see if we can do a mixture.
I guess hey, times change.
Nasdaq up top. You can do the Nasdaq up top.
It's big ball apparel, not regular ball apparel.
Here.
Correct. We got big balls only.
And I only want to do my big contracts on moves that I
apparel.
know is gonna happen. So we got a pivot point.
I got an email just now.
It might bounce off of this and do its thing.
The subject of the email says,
it look like it's going down.
Your girl's a hoe.
So
unblock me, fuck boy.
I think I'm gonna try to.
Yeah.
If it shoots past this right here, this is a little resistant zone. If it shoots, I even can do
I always
like
love getting emails from my fans.
I think what I'm gonna do.
And my favorite, you know, it's always fun to get emails from my fans out there. Just so supportive.
This resistance zone right here.
Just want to thank everybody.
To sell one. Sell a contract. I'll take profit right here. And then my stop loss would be somewhere up here. I had me like a $50 stop loss. You know, put me a little sell order in, and that's just in case it get crazy. In case it shoots down, I'll get out, make me a little.
The best is this is the guy.
And go about my day.
There he is. I'm a fuck boy. This guy's wearing a hoodie, taking a selfie.
So I'm gonna put that
There he
in
is.
there.
Look at
Order
him. Your
submitted.
girl's a hoe.
Order submitted.
244.
Cool, dude. Sick.
What's this? ES.
All right, we're getting ready for the market open here.
Take a little.
We're getting ready for the market open. We got less than a minute here now.
Let that thing go down. And see, it's retracing. It did all that. Now it's retracing. So right here.
Oh, let's see what happens. We got a pivot point right there, 913s. You got the VWAP, we got the close.
We're gonna do a little buy.
Yesterday's
order.
close down there, 880s. I mean, it wouldn't be a bad idea to take out the kind of fill that
$50
gap right away here, and then rip back up. Let's see what happens. It's time to party either way. You know what that
Order
means?
submitted.
So I
Put on your
usually do
big
that,
ball
and we can
pants.
just play it out. Let's see what it does.
That's right. There we go. Market is open.
Let's see what it does. Set some plays up. I'm selling down here, making some money, and then I'm buying up here and making some money. Let's see
The
what
market
it does.
is
Let it
open for
play out.
business. Place your bets. Right now, the 21 EMA holding us down
Something
here. We're
goes
30
down, I got
seconds
it.
into the market open. There's
It
no
goes
rush,
up,
people.
I got it. You know?
It's all good. We
If
can
it
just
stays
sit
in
back
the
here and be
range,
patient
it
for a
stays in
minute.
the range. I put it right between my resistance zones. Then I have this one out of the pocket a little bit.
Your future
This
is
is up
at
near
your
like another
fingertips.
kind of resistance.
Take
zone
advantage
up
of the
here.
flexibility and diversity
Right
of
here,
futures
this.
trading with Ninja
Right
Trader,
here. So
the #1
if it
rated
take off,
futures
it's gonna
broker.
take off.
Start trading futures today.
At the beginning, they do a little manipulation. They'll go up, go down, do different stuff like that to throw you off. But hopefully, we can catch a few plays
That's
like
how I've
that.
been able to travel the world and trade full time.
See, I'm only
for the
risking
last
$50.
2 years.
Got one
So I
whole
started
contract
trading with
for
the strategies
$50.
that were proven to work and just
Dang,
copy what
bad.
the pros were already doing.
Either way,
I wanna give you
I
that
lose
same
about 100
opportunity,
if
which is why I've
anything,
created
but
the
it
Vault.
could
The Vault
shoot
is my
up.
free
So
community that now has over 6,000 students in it. And the best part is they
Got this
It's
high
about-
from earlier there at the
it's going up
979s
now.
and then 21,000 up there next. This is the first 2-minute candle of the market open right now.
And then once I
Get up there
catch a
through
little
that
play off
80
of this,
area.
I'll set my 15-minute time zones, and I do a little 15-minute strategy for if it goes out, comes back in, it bounces off.
You guys
I
haven't
can
already hit
make some
that
money
like
off of
button.
that.
Help me out. Blow up the like button. It's free to like. Free to like. They want to run this high. They want to run that high. Come on.
See,
Up there through the 80s.
kind of bouncing around now. I just like to put that on there because I just know it shoots
I
up
told you this was
sometimes.
gonna. I
It'll
told
go
you the
crazy,
fucking
it'll
market was
start
gonna pull
running.
back, stop me out, and then go to the moon. Classic. That
So,
last runner
You
always
just gotta
happens.
let it do its thing.
Fuck you, runner.
32, 2 minutes in.
All
Market's
right, we
open.
need a little bull flag to
Market's
form
open,
here.
2
You know,
minutes
get a
in.
little bull flaggy, hold it up there at the 21 maybe. Would be ideal.
Get over here.
If you look on the bigger time frames, my pivot points are not working for some reason. Trading view is lagging because all of the people. There's a
It's
pivot
going
point
in
right there,
now.
21,049. Look at the 15-minute chart.
Oh no.
Breaking out of these two highs on the 15-minute chart now. So we kind of look for
I think it's about to-
continuation now
it's
through the
about to get me in there.
21,000s. It's got to get through. And then
If it
that
breaks
pivot
that
point up there,
resistance, I like it
47s.
because that means that it's strong. It's probably gonna keep on going up. You know. It's just so choppy. There you go. You can see it better like this. I'm still in the range. It hasn't came out yet.
Got that
I'm still in
21
the
EMA
range, as
there
you
at the
can see.
50s.
Still in the range.
The Dow's pulling back. Nvidia's pushing straight up here.
That's what I said. I'm pretty sure
Remember,
it's gonna rally
today.
up.
10
They're gonna
o'clock
try to get
numbers
some
coming out.
highs.
Very big numbers. I don't know if they're important, but they're big numbers. So
definitely looking forward to that. We just play
big
it out.
Numbers.
Let's see what
if you guys
happens.
haven't already hit that like button, we got 382
Either way,
likes.
we
Come
only
on
risking
now, blow it up.
$50 to make 300, 175. We can make more if it keeps running up. I can move my stop loss or
Need to
move my
reach out,
take
get through
profit
this
point
21.
up. So
Get through that 21. Take
just
it up
gonna
there
let
to
it
the
go do its
25,
thing.
up there to the pivot point.
either way, I'm trying to do like
reach out.
250 today,
And
300.
we do have on that hourly
know.
chart. Like I said, we got
Shit,
that
get my thing
big
back
channel
up
that we've been
above
respecting.
50K.
That puts us all the way up there to
I lost a good little bit
21,120
yesterday
if we kind
playing
of push
around
up.
and stuff. So you really
Yesterday's
just
high up
have
there
to
at the
make sure you
81s next.
practice risk management. I literally have it in my notes.
No
practice
real like
risk management.
meaningful pullback
Only
here
lose
yet.
what you want to lose.
21,000 just wants to
I
go.
only like risking 250 to 500 a day. And I don't know what happened yesterday. I just got too damn happy. I was getting too happy. I was out of my norm. I should have just waited.
Are you looking for shorts or longs? I'm looking for. Come on, people. That's not even a real question. I'm long. Are you kidding me? Why would I be short here? I'm long, long, long.
It's tipping. It's tipping. And this resistance levels right here keeps dipping back down. I wanted to hold. If it can hold like right around here, I think I'll move my stop loss down, risk a little more.
Why
So
does your
then that
pivot
way,
point show
you know,
different levels than mine?
That way
Don't
it'll
know.
go.
Sounds like a personal problem.
It's wicking right now. So I don't know. We might have some sort
I'm
of
long
reversal.
from 49s right now. Looking
Last
for a
week
push
it
up
was
through
a day where it just
21,000.
was
We got
going
back
up
above
and all
the
up just
EMA
like
here,
this,
about
up
a
and
little bit
down,
of a
all
dip.
in the range.
And then rode this
Like,
rip up there
you
to
know,
the
we just have to take our
21,000.
time because we only been in the market for
We're trading the
6
2-minute chart
minutes,
right
you
now.
know?
2-minute chart. There's a
We've been
fucking
here
2
6
on
minutes.
the chart
It
right
seems
here.
like
Look
a
at that 2.
lifetime, but it's really not.
Well, that means the time frame.
So you just gotta be patient, wait it out, and let the market come to you.
Little pullback here. 21 EMA there at the 57s.
They always say like one good trade can set you up. You don't need to worry about anything. One good trade is
Pivot point does not change between the 2-minute and the 15-minute chart. You can see on the
I could do
15-minute chart,
double these contracts and it is double the price, whatever that is. It's 200 up here. If I did 2 contracts,
for the 2-minute
I
chart.
make
It does
400.
not change.
I did 3, it'd be 600 within this one little, this small, move right here. This from 626 to 630. It's like 4 points. 4-point move, $600. That's pretty good. But once again, I don't want to risk it. Most of the time in the morning, and then how the market is right now, it's just kind of consolidating in a way. There hasn't been any less just big pushes yet, so we're waiting on that.
Wheelan said to go long, and it went down.
It's like
Yep.
a little. So we got a little
It's plummeting
flag.
right
We got
now.
a little
The market
flag
is
right here.
plummeting. Watch out, everybody.
And Nasdaq.
It's fucking idiots.
See what the Nasdaq's doing. Nasdaq's going up. It's an hour.
It's plummeting. Look at the market. It's going straight down. Oh my God.
It's hitting a
We got
supply
somebody
zone
call
right
somebody.
here. So
Somebody
it might
call
reverse.
somebody.
It might
Somebody
reverse.
call them.
It might reverse.
Somebody call them. Break it through 21,000. Somebody call them.
Whenever you get it into the demand zone like this, you gotta do a confirmation entry, but it's going up against it, and I would have to scalp. Like, see, it just hit it. I could have put a little order in to see if
Tapping
it went
on
down,
21. We broke through
don't wanna
21. I
risk
think we got to get a little bit more. More
anything,
push
I
above
wait for it to
21
hit
here,
this
right?
again and the yellow,
a little bit
and
more
then put
push
a
here.
buy order in. But I'm just waiting. I want to be patient. I want to let the market come to me today. I
don't
can't
like how
go
the
chasing
Dow's
this
going.
thing.
Why is the
I
Dow
ain't
going?
chasing
The
it.
Dow is going
I
straight
ain't
down.
chasing
Why?
it.
Why is the Dow going
I'm
down?
not chasing it.
But we've seen the
Just like
Dow
a
go
little
straight
bull
up while the
flag
Nasdaq
here.
goes straight down. So
See that?
ASRM Blake, should you start on forex or futures with less than $1,000? Neither.
Definitely going
If
down.
I was you, I would just don't trade. If you only have $1,000 to start, just keep working. You know, keep doing, just get a normal job. Don't be a day trader, honestly. NASDAQ pushed up there above 21,000, pulling back here again. Trouble.
Because like
I'm just
you
being
said, all
honest,
these
though. Like
entries
$1,000,
up,
you
and
might as
these
well
are all
just
just different
quit.
strategies
There's no point
that
in
you
trying.
can use. So you might have a demand
buy
zone,
Tory
supply
Trade's
zone
course.
strategy. I could have made some money right there, but sometimes you don't get it. So it's good just to see all the strategies. Like there's one, the 21.8 EMA is that
Patrick, do you
reversal
think that
that you
people
can
can
get
flip
from this point
$1,000
right
into
here.
$2,000?
Like it literally is bouncing off of this.
I mean,
and it's supposed to go green.
maybe.
It's not supposed to go through it, but it's supposed to go green. But see, look, if I would have put something in there, it would have.
Do I think that
know.
Blake can?
It's
I don't
tight.
think so.
It usually
You
bounces
told us
off
last
the
week that you
ADMA,
started with
so
less than 1,000. Yeah.
I'm
And
waiting on the
again,
breakout.
I'm telling you the
We're
truth.
40. We
I
got
said,
about
hey,
5 more minutes.
the guy in the chat is telling
as
me he has
far as the
$1,000
ranges
if he should
are
trade
concerned,
forex or
so.
if he should trade futures, and I said don't even try either.
This is on the uptrend.
Just keep working.
So anytime
Keep
you got
trading
your,
demo.
the yellow
Keep
is my 8 EMA, and then this is my
you're gonna
21
waste your fucking
EMA.
money.
I get down on the 2-minute chart, and then I just wait for him to work.
God.
Like I'm seeing it play out now, but I definitely probably could have did something right there. But this is good too because this bull flag, if it breaks this line most of the time, it comes up here.
He didn't
I got
ask
my
anything
buy
about
stop
buying
right
a
there.
prop firm. He
It'll
said,
get
should I
up,
start trading forex or should I
it'll go
start
up,
trading
keep on
fucking
going.
futures?
But
At
I just
no
want
point
to make
in
it
that
sure
question did
that
you say, "Ew, I want
if
to
it's
sign
in
up
that
for a
up
prop
thing,
firm."
it's gonna just keep
So
going
I answered
up.
his question
So,
exactly how he asked it. Like, why is the chat
Well, it
on my
look like
dick
it's
right
going
now
down
about
a
the
little
fact, like,
bit.
Patrick,
You
why
might
don't
hit this
you should tell him
pivot
to
point
buy
down
a
here
prop
that
firm
I have
account.
set.
Patrick, why don't you tell him to do this? Patrick, do this. Like, I'm just being honest. God. No bueno on the
Nope.
NASDAQ right now. Not looking too hot with the Dow and everything else dumping down here. So we'll see what happens.
40, 41.
No
941.
bueno.
Let's see what it does.
We start reversing here. Got Nvidia pulling back. We lose that 21 EMA. We're gonna go straight fucking downtown here.
Yeah, if these cross, I'm pretty sure that it's gonna go down too. It's in the downtrend. And then most likely it's gonna go down to this point here. So let me get 2 of them on there.
Try to fill that gap possibly down there. 880s. Right now, 21 EMA holding up support there for now. Nvidia's moving down pretty quick. Just broke through the opening low so far.
See, it's so crazy. It got down right before this. You see this resistance point? That's what it hit. That's what it hit right there. That would have been like a little demand zone. This is called a rally-based rally. You got these right here, these little red markers right here, rally-based rally. They usually don't, I don't know, not as accurate on the
Straight ripper off the 21 right there.
You know,
Just a
it's
straight
still-
ripper
it's still
off the
something to
21
look at.
EMA
It's
there.
resistance either way it is. It comes down, taps that. Could have made a play right there. See what I'm saying? But I'm trying to do the momentum trading
we
today.
got a lot of,
I
sorry,
want
we
to
got
let
a lot
that
of
thing
numbers
run
coming out
down.
here
If I know the
at 10
EMA is
o'clock.
crossed,
So I don't know
it's
if the
on the
market's just waiting
downtrend,
for those
I can catch
numbers
that bad boy right there.
or what, but let's
And
just
say
be
they might do a
patient.
big sell-off. We can sell it all the way down here. I can move this down here. Look at that.
The
I move
Dow's
it down
sitting
here,
down
it's
there at the
2 grand.
lows.
I'm just
Nvidia's
gonna do
moving
it right
down.
here though. Let me make my
Dollar's
little
trying to
cool
push up.
400. And then I'll find another play later
We're
on.
going to the Cars and Coffee this weekend in West Palm Beach. Correct. I think it's at the Wellington Mall, but not the normal place, or I don't know.
That's a good one. Big wick up. Tap this EMA, and they might be crossing. So this is a lot of up and down though, but within the first few minutes of the market open, like it's a lot of manipulation just to get buyers out, sellers out, fill in orders.
You can
and
see
then,
if we lose this
once
60
around
area,
10
it's a very
clock
quick move
hits,
down.
10:15.
So right
that's
now,
when it starts mellowing out. So
that's a scary spot right there when you have like these two wicks just sitting there, that bottom of those two candles at the 60s. It's got to like drive straight off
and
there.
Nasdaq still hasn't really
a fucking
passed
perfect spot
through
to
this
take
21
out some
EMA.
stops.
It keeps tapping this one, but this is resistance. So something's right there.
got
If
the
it does
15-minute
go
range
past it,
coming up
it's
here
going to
as
be a
well.
big move. But it hasn't happened yet. So like I said, it still might hit this up here. You know, you don't ever know. I'm just set up just in case. I was very close. You see that for it to actually hit. So it might tap this right here and then come back down, go through, or it might keep on going. Might break this trend line. A little trend line here.
Back up there towards that 21,000 again.
You can tighten it up like that, but that's
If we take out 21,000, we'll see if we squeeze straight up, obviously.
Oh yeah, might go down. You just
Push
you
them
don't
through the
know.
21,000s for now.
I don't want to wait. All right, so let me set my 15-minute thing, 15-minute range. So this is my 15-minute range. I like to do it like this. I go grab this rectangle. I go up to the top of that wick, top of this wick, and I take it over to 4 p.m. Where my 4 p.m. at? That's
Nvidia
3:30.
turned back up. ES is pushing back up. We got all those numbers coming out
4
here. We're trying to break
set.
out of the 15-minute range.
15-minute range, baby. So yeah, the 15-minute range is once it breaks through, it bounces back up here, and then it blasts back down. So I got my 15-minute range set. Usually put my little text on there. I put my date. It's something to keep track of, keep some notes. Supposed to go back and study and look at your plays for today. So now we're gonna go set our 2-minute timer up again. 2-minute timer. This is crazy though. It's holding up on this 21. And like I said, I'm pretty sure it wants to go up. I don't think it wants to go down. I'm pretty sure it wants to go up. So we just gotta wait though. It's gonna be a big move. Whatever it ends up doing, it's gonna be a pretty big chunk. We're gonna it's gonna be dropping down. So
We broke out of the 15-minute range, a little pullback there. The next level is that 46s.
39.5.
Nvidia right now sitting right below the VWAP.
It is, and it's just consolidating a little bit. It's tapping that right there. It might be a bear thing.
Pat, I
now.
thought you said no Black Friday sale. Well, good thing there's no Black Friday sale. It's a bundle of stuff that's coming. The book and a webinar, same price. Don't worry. Looking for this push to get through that 10 area, see if we can't rip up there to that pivot point next. Up there through the 10s. Oh, 20s. Will she go through the 20s?
Order submitted. Order filled.
Beautiful. Beautiful. It's beautiful. Up there through the 20s.
That was just $50. Oh, $50. So we did, let's do 2 minutes here. I'm pretty sure it's gonna rip through again, so I'm gonna do one more. Do my take profit and stop loss down here.
Living the Grumpy Life said he's been passing evaluations so fast since he bought the course he can't afford to activate
Order
them.
submitted.
Well, that's a good problem to have.
That's
All right, that pivot point up there at the 48s. Will
So
we
we
reach
in.
all the way out there? We got less than 9 minutes until
it's
the
pushing.
10 o'clock numbers.
It's pushing. That's why I said it's pushing. It's trying to get up there. It's trying to get up there. So we gotta
People in
buy,
the chat
sell
that are
in
wondering
at
if I got
175
long.
up here.
By the
We
course,
up
you would know
12.
exactly where I got long at right now. I'm up. I'm up.
Up. It's busting on that 15-minute range a little bit.
Order canceled.
Okay.
Little uncertainty until these numbers come out, I guess.
Let's see here. Oh yeah, 10 o'clock news.
Kind of doing what it
got
did
the-
yesterday, just kind of like
Let's see real quick.
chopping her out here.
Ooh, look at that big move. They really trying to drop that shit down there.
NASDAQ back
That's
to the
crazy.
21 EMA again.
It might come through over down here. You make it back. See if it bounces off this trend line. Broke that.
Nvidia just turned down pretty hard, so wait for these numbers to come out.
I definitely would have been stopped out of that one. That shit. Sometimes it goes up and takes your orders. I'm just glad it was only $100. Shoot. You just gotta let it play out, man. These ranges are crazy. Like
NASDAQ again reaching out to that 60 level. This is kind of where we were worried about it breaking through 60s again, or breaking through 60s there.
Do a little 15-minute on this one too. So we're gonna do the 15-minute on this one.
'VWAP's down there at the 919s. Nvidia's pulling back pretty hard. Just made a new low on Nvidia. They lose this 60 area, VWAP next. Four minutes until the news comes out here.
Let's see what this news is talking about. Consumer confidence.
Testing that 60s.
3 minutes to the news.
Be very surprised if we don't break through 60 here. Like that right there. Broke through the 60s.
I think it's going down. I don't think it's going down.
Ten o'clock news coming up here.
Sell one of these.
These 15-minute candles just look. Less than about a minute until these numbers come out.
Until the numbers go out.
40 seconds till the numbers.
Order submitted.
Right there at the 21 EMA. You got the gap fill, or yesterday's close, still sitting down there at the 880s.
Ooh, we in for a big move. He's shooting.
5,
See if it breaks
4,
through these two 950s.
3, 2, and 1.
Oh, and when
The
it got all them
numbers
orders,
are out.
big push down. It's a push down.
Order filled. Order filled. Order canceled.
Good Lord. The volatility, baby. Got some volatility here today.
That was shit shot down. What the hell?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
We got down there pretty close to the VWAP.
What the hell?
There should be no delay. I have no... Everybody thinks there's a delay on the stream. It's not me, it's you. Look at the clock down below. I don't put a delay on the stream. It's just up to you guys. Make sure you refresh your internet.
What the hell happened?
Dollar pulling back.
Man, that was fucked up. So order field, it went down.
NASDAQ right here at the 21 EMA.
Oh, that was crazy. That did a big wick.
Kind of got this little like 2-minute news candle
Oh,
here,
what
the
that
range
was.
now
That
to
was
see what
crazy.
happens.
I literally lost like $200 messing around with that shit.
Holding up there at the 50s for Dow. Both the ES, the NASDAQ, everything kind of just holding here after this news came out, so.
I'm just waiting for these things to bust out this 15-minute range, man.
Stuck there at the 21 EMA again. See if these bulls are going to want to push back above. Then we try to take out this little like 95 high on that news candle. Just to make it fun for everybody. You know, just make it fun for everybody here.
Yeah, now the market's kind of settling down after that news. You gotta wait for it to start. Just hit a trend now. It's kind of just doing its thing.
we get through 85s, we take out, go try to push up there to 21,000s next. Let's see. Get through 85s, try to get through 21,000s. Watching that 85 level here. 85, 86s. Kind of the high on that candle, 86. So 86s would be a breakout here. And then that pivot point up there, 21,048. Nvidia is trying to push back up. ES is kind of just sitting right in the middle of that 15-minute candle. Dow still moving down. 20-watt EMA right there.
Let's see what we got here. Do some little squeeze. Whenever the market's in a squeeze like that. This is the 85 level.
Here it comes.
Introducing Iron Beam, a bright choice for futures trading. Iron Beam is an industry-leading broker catering to traders worldwide with 24-hour live support and the free Iron Beam platform. You can trade the most popular and liquid future contracts anywhere and from any device. With day trade margins as low as $50 and no account minimums, futures trading is more accessible than ever. Register now.
Getting real tight here. 86 is.
It is. It is getting there.
If you guys haven't hit that like button, let's get 1,000 likes here on the stream. Wee. NASDAQ, you're just stuck here below the 86s for now. We're looking for a breakout through that 86 level and then try to get that move up there through the 21,000s.
Busted out really the 15-minute range. I mean, yesterday it went crazy.
It's looking very tight right now. Look at this thing.
This is at
Decision
6:30,
time.
6:40 p.m. 8 o'clock. Did this big move up. Shoot. I mean, this did
Obviously, if we
its thing
lose this
yesterday.
support here at the 60s, I think that, well, they got that pivot point down there, 900, 912s.
We gotta try to get some of this money back.
Market very tight here.
It is.
Something's going to happen.
Something about to happen. Either you're down or you're up.
Looking for this 86 breakout. All right, back to the through the 60s, trying to get push through that 60 area again. Losing that lost that 60 support right down there to the 50s. VWAP down here at the 22s now.
Yeah, shit crazy, man. That stuff be going up and down. Up and down.
The Dow just continues moving down. NASDAQ is just absolutely going nowhere right now. Hard to make money when the market's not moving. You know, give me those 100-point candles. Where are the 100-point candles when you need them? Nvidia is moving down. NASDAQ just refuses to get away from the 60 level for now.
Yeah, it's just sitting there.
Refusing.
It's just sitting right at the 60 level. It ain't doing nothing.
Nvidia trying to make new lows. If Nvidia starts making new lows, I don't see how the NASDAQ doesn't want to make a new low here.
It's right there.
Nvidia holding on for dear life over there. I hate this market. I hate it. FOMC at 2 o'clock today.
I might have to come back later. Once this thing breaks out a little bit, it ain't doing nothing. It's all this jumping back and forth. Stuff crazy. What it's gonna do? You don't know how it's
Again,
gonna. What it's
testing.
gonna do in the market
Buddy,
today?
Bay.
It's crazy. It's all over the place. It's all over the place, man.
If we get through like 75, let's see if we run that 85.
The bulls have come to play. It's just in this range. Like, it hasn't got out of it. This is crazy. Ooh.
It's like every direction we go, we just kind of get stuck. No movement. Just want one, we just gotta just get one expansion, you know? One good move. One good move here through the 75s now. It just can't happen. Look at that. Right up there to the 75, 76s. Stuck again. Market's got something wrong with it. Right back to the 60s again. The market broken. I think somebody called the NASDAQ. It broken.
It's downtrending. Let's see. It's downtrending. I hate these days like this.
You would
where
think
it's
it wants to just
choppy.
break through 60s and try to
Golly, it's so
move
choppy.
down here.
You be done put a put in and it's a call, it's a put. It's like, man, it's crazy like this. Ideally, this thing goes out, comes back, then comes down. Just like this. You just gotta.
Oh my lord. Do something, NASDAQ. Just do something already.
No, man, damn.
FOMC minutes today.
Finally.
I don't.
It's dumping.
Finally making that move down. We got there to the VWAP. FOMC minutes, it says today. Am I reading the wrong day? Tuesday, November 26th. FOMC minutes. Am I wrong? Yeah, it's today. Why is everybody coming at me? Why is everybody always got? I'm reading it right off the fucking internet.
Hell, that's it.
I'm reading it.
We gotta make us some money before 2 p.m.
All right, I mean, fuck. This wants to go down, right? Like, it's got to sell down. Like, it just, like, it's got to fucking go already. Like, come on. Like, there's no way we're going to bounce at the VWAP, right? There's no way. There's no fucking way. There's just no way. Pivot point down there at the 914s. Just stuck at the VWAP for now. I hate this market.
Let's wait for this thing to bounce off this.
I hate you, NASDAQ. I hate you.
Let me get this play right here. Open, close. I'm do it right here.
VWAP holding up here. NASDAQ off the VWAP, back up again.
Order submitted.
The dollar just broke out, went straight up.
Order submitted.
And again, the NASDAQ back down here.
Order canceled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Damn. It is just taking my money today.
Nvidia trying to push, but we're going nowhere. So I'm just sitting back, waiting and watching for something good to happen. A bit of a bear flag kind of forming here, pushing back up to that 21 EMA.
Oh man, this is crazy. I mean, this is nuts.
VWAP holding up support there again at the 30s. You gotta lose that VWAP here. NASDAQ can move on down there to the 880s next. You got the Dow making new lows. Just got to get through the VWAP. That 920 area holding us up here. Get through 920s. See if we just swipe right through that pivot point down there, but impressive. Impressive, just sitting there at the VWAP. Holidays. Got the dollar going straight up right now. The Dow's making new lows. The ES is making new lows. NASDAQ just wants to make it as hard as possible here. Fucking A. What a joke. NASDAQ again up off the VWAP. It's wild. ES, everything just ripped back up here. Except for NVIDIA. We at that. Again, off of the VWAP back up through the 20 watt EMA.
I don't know whether it's going up, down, sideways, diagonal. This is crazy. It looks like it's going up. Did the Bulls come out to play today? Man, that's crazy. Demand zone. Could have did the demand zone pivot right here. Put my stop loss right here, got in right here, put my stop loss down here. Let it play out. It definitely is a demand zone. Like 3 different times. This price point's really 920.
Right up there
That's
through
a
the
strong,
20 watt EMA again. Right,
it's a strong one.
Possibly back down here. Let's see.
This would have been it here.
It can't chop all day, can it? Can it? Can it?
All right, guys.
Possibly.
Well, today wasn't a day for profit yet. I'm about to step back because I gotta wait for this to chill out. This market going up and down and up and down. Jesus Christ, it's driving me crazy. So let me get off this thing to keep my sanity. And you know, when you take losses, you gotta walk
Someone
away.
in the chat said, Patrick,
You
don't
come
get
back
short.
in the afternoon, come back at a later
in.
time, reanalyze
All
the
in
market,
long.
and you
Thanks,
go
chat.
from there. So, signing out, Legacy Lee. You guys have a wonderful afternoon, wonderful day. Glad I could show you guys some setups, and let's keep it real. Take care.